Welcome to C.S.L. Official. This is English Conversation for Beginners.
Hi. Do you speak English? Hi. Do you speak English?
I can speak English a little bit. I can speak English a little bit.
Where are you from? Where are you from?
I'm from Cambodia. I'm from Cambodia.
Are you a businessman? Are you a businessman?
No, I'm a doctor. No, I'm a doctor. Are you a student? Are you a student?
Yes, I'm a high school student. Yes, I'm a high school student.
How old are you? How old are you?
I'm 16 years old. I'm 16 years old.
What do you want to be in the future? What do you want to be in the future?
I want to work in a bank. I want to work in a bank.
Do you have brothers or sister? Do you have brothers or sister?
I have 2 brothers and 1 sister. I have 2 brothers and 1 sister.
Who do you look like in your family? Who do you look like in your family?
I think I look like my mom. I think I look like my mom.
How old is your dad? How old is your dad?
He's 50 years old. He's 50 years old.
What does he do? What does he do?
He's a farmer. He's a farmer.
What about your mom? What about your mom?
My mom is a teacher. My mom is a teacher.
What do you do on weekends? What do you do on weekends?
I like to help my dad farming. I like to help my dad farming.
Do you play sports? Do you play sports?
I play football and tennis. I play football and tennis.
How long have you been learning English? How long have you been learning English?
I started when I was 10. I started when I was 10.
What are your hobbies? What are your hobbies?
I like music, dancing, and reading. I like music, dancing, and reading.